The sum of money will amount to 2,400 at 4% per annum simple interest in 5 years is what? Here A is 2,400 and R is 4% per annum and T is 5 years. What is principal? So amount formula A is equal to P plus SI. SI formula PTR by 100. So A is equal to P plus PTR by 100. Now substitute those values. So 2400 is equal to P plus P into 5 into 4 by 100. Now cancel 5 20s are 100 and 4 5s are 20. 2400 is equal to P plus P by 5. 2400 is equal to 5 into P, 5P plus P by 5. So 6P by 5. Now cancel 6 and 24. 6 4s are 24. So 400 is equal to P by 5. Now multiply. 400 into ఇటువైపు డివిజన్ చేస్తున్న 5 ఇటు సైడ్కి వస్తే మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. సో 400 into 5 is equal to P. So 400 5 is 2000. 2000 is principal. It is in option B. Thank you.